Okay guys, Vern, jack of all trades, master of none. I'm gonna change off this registration sticker. Got this scraper, Stanley scraper from Home Depot. This Stanley scraper works pretty good. Let's see how this works first. Looks pretty good. I tell you what, we just do the edges, because once you get the edges, everything else comes off. As far as the middle doesn't stick to the glass. Okay, so as you can see here, it's already loose. You know what? You can just peel the rest of this off. Not a big deal. Get rid of it, and then just do a once over. Okay. Now we got all of that. Okay. Just go ahead and wet the surface, because now you got to deal with glue. And I'm not sure. You know, I want to get everything clean. You could probably go ahead and put the new one in here without cleaning everything up. So let me see if I can get the rest of this glued. Okay, it's coming out pretty good. And I only used water. I didn't use any special solution. Stanley scraper looks pretty good. I'll leave a link in the description for it. Yeah, and this thing comes out pretty good with the water. All right, so let me pass it again. Pass a rag, some water just to get this thing moist. And then just keep scraping that till you get it all up. I'm probably gonna get some Windex, something like that. And it looks like you don't really need it. This thing it's coming up pretty easy. It's like the more you wet it, the easier it comes up too. Yeah, so I'm gonna give this this scraper an 8 on the scale of 1 to 10. 10 being the best and easiest to deal with. And it's only because the glue part. If it would just take up the glue and everything in one shot, I'll probably give it a 10. But as you can see, we had to go through a few processes to get rid of that glue. Okay. I'm gonna put a little Windex just for the heck of it. A little bit of Windex in there. Come behind you and wipe it. I can tell that residue from that glue is still in there. Can't see it, but all right. Anyway, that's good enough. So we can go ahead, call that done, and then I'll put on the new registration. Dry that up. Dry it up with a rag, dry cloth. Okay. Now, so I already detached the new registration. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it on. So you're basically tearing off the edges. Okay, once you peel from the back, you see, it says peel here. That's where you're going to peel from. Peel everything from the back. And then I'm going to step out of the vehicle and kind of line this up straight, right? From the inside, where only the paper. Let's do it from the inside. It's not going to be perfect, but I'll try to get it as close to perfect as I can. So I want to be there. Now let me see. Once this goes on, you can't take it off again. I'm just going to kind of line it up with the inspection sticker. Got about the same distance on the inspection sticker. Go ahead and push the rest of the way out. And that should do it. We're all ready for another 2 years. And then press the edges. Just make sure you're good all the way around. Okay? There you go, guys. Not hard. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Share the video. See you guys.